Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a little quick review, just show you the new bags. These are Viking bags for the V-Star 650. However, they're not really for the V-Star, they're universal. One of the things I was really disappointed about was having to do all the measuring and hole punching for each side. We ended up having to do this second side twice on the left, but other than that, I'm extremely pleased. If you use the discount code on their site, if it's still there, I think you get 10% off or 20% or something. It ended up being the bags went from, let's see, was it $3.99 plus tax and shipping was like $4.60 or something, and then with the discount it ended up being like $3.74. I was really happy. So anyway, I really think that they go very well with the contrast of the with the leather seats. Make the bike look much more modern. I love how the seat comes up in here. Very nice, very clean. Come with locks. I've got a big leather vest in here. Beneath the leather vest is all my tools. Got nice weight to it at the top, so it'll close pretty well. This one got the skull cap as an extra, another sweat jacket and gloves, which I actually need. So yeah, that's that. All right, so I just wanted to give you a brief review of that, and that's it. Very quick.